Over the past few years, I've been investing in gold and silver online, and I can say with complete confidence that it's one of the most exciting investments I've ever made. Some people think that precious metals are risky or that they don't yield the same sort of returns you can get from stocks, but nothing could be further from the truth. Gold and silver are absolutely a good investment both now and in the future. Hi there. This is Jonathan from Foxum.net. Glad to have you joining us. In this video, you will learn about the easy and safe way of investing in gold and silver online. Gold is a symbol of wealth and status that's lasted for centuries, associated with all things luxurious from jewelry to sports cars to even high-end dining. It's one of the most beloved and influential commodities that exist in our market. When you invest in gold and silver, you are investing in an asset that has proven to hold its value over time. Investing in gold and silver online has never been easier or more accessible than it is today. With online investing, you can diversify your portfolio easily and quickly. And because it's so easy, there's no reason not to give it a try. Precious metals are a good investment because they tend to hold their value over time. If you invested $1,000 worth of gold in the year 2000, it would be worth more than $2,000 today. Even during recessions, precious metals usually increase. The price of gold rose 4% between March 2009 and March 2010, versus a 10% decline for industrial commodities. The price of gold fell more than 30% between December 2011 and February 2013, during an overall rise in stock market prices, but that's still better than losing money. Take a look at this chart brought to you by Mike Malamy and Ronnie Stoffel. You've got the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, the Aussie dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Chinese yuan, the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc, and the Indian rupee. So you got 9 different currencies here. And then, take a look at the amount of red on this chart versus the amount of green. Then scan down some of these columns and look at the amount of green. That is double digits way out. And remember that during a lot of this chart, there was no inflation happening. So these double digits are real. And then on top of that, you look at the average and it's 9.2% per year for all of these currencies combined. For the US dollar, it's 9.4%. And a similar chart with silver performance. When is it a good time to invest in gold and silver? Is investing in gold a good idea? Many people are looking for answers to these questions. You may be one of them. Here are some things you should know about investing in gold and silver online. Investing is always a trade-off. That's true for any investment opportunity, whether it's real estate, stocks, or cryptocurrency. The benefit of investing has to outweigh the risks for you personally and your specific situation. In general, it's never a bad time to learn about an investment opportunity and make an informed decision about what's right for you financially. You're not alone if you're feeling like investing in gold online might just be too much money or hassle. Let's listen to the expert. Watch this short episode of Robert Kiyosaki, The Rich Dad radio show on November 2020. Why you should buy gold and silver.
In my opinion, the biggest news of all in the last few months was that Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, dumped bank stocks. And he dumped airline stocks, and he got into Barrick Gold. In other words, he shifted into gold mining. And he and his buddy Munger, have badmouthed gold forever. They own some silver, but they badmouth gold forever. And so that is the biggest news of all, because it says something is really fundamentally changed in America. Foundationally. If he's dumping airline stocks and he's dumping bank stocks, the question is, what does that mean? And CNBC and the other one, CNBS as they call it, they don't cover it. Nobody covers it. And this is bigger. Trump or Biden, it's important. But Buffett going into Barrick Gold is 1,000 times bigger news to all of us, because Trump or Biden have no possible power. They cannot stop what's about to happen. So let me say it again. The biggest news of all is not Trump or Biden or COVID. It's Warren Buffett dumping bank stocks. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? And dumping airline stocks and then buying Barrick Gold.
If you're new to investing in gold and silver, it can be confusing at first. There are so many different types of precious metals assets out there that it can be hard to make the right decision. So, how do I invest in gold and silver? Let me introduce to you the 7K Metals Company and Wealth Autopilot marketing system. I'm going to show you how easily and safely invest in gold and silver online, and at the same time earn up to $500, $1,000, or even $7,000 per week by helping others do the same. Click on the link in the description area below this video to register for free masterclass to discover how to build and protect your wealth with gold and silver even if you are on a budget. And we've got the system in place. I'm going to give you all the details of this special event. Click on the link to register your spot and I'll show you how you can get started tonight. Also, I provide a secure link to the 7K Metals store where you can buy gold and silver at the dealer's direct price. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell, and you will be notified when we drop new content on our channel. Talk to you soon.